Imagine you and being able to see every trade that a top 1% trader is doing on Hyperliquid. In my previous video, which almost hit 80,000 views, we talked about tracking whale wallets for meme coins. But right now, there is something new. It is called Hyperliquid. And Hyperliquid let us see the most profitable on-chain traders in real time. And the nicest thing is, we can copy trade them if you are able to find them. So in this video, I will show you exactly beginner friendly how to find and set up your filters to find profitable traders. We are verifying the results and copy trading their strategy to make some nice money. Before we start, this isn't financial advice, it is just educational, and by the end you will understand why copy trading is smarter and better than guessing yourself. So let's dive into it. So what can you expect in this video is what is Hyperliquid, why meme coin copy trading is different compared to on-chain copy trading, how to find profitable traders and set up your filters, how to copy trade smart traders, and I want to show you real examples of profitable traders on the Hyperliquid platform. And I have one bonus thing for you, so keep watching this video if you want to know what this bonus is, because you will like it definitely. The first topic we're going to talk about is what is Hyperliquid. Maybe you're watching right now and think, hey, what is Hyperliquid? So Hyperliquid is a decentralized perpetual exchange. It is kind of a mix between Bybit and Binance, but now everything happens on chain. But what makes it so special is that every trader is performing on chain, which means we can see all their trades, wins, loses, the amount of money they lose, and all the data completely transparent on chain. And we can use this in our advantage. As an example, this website Apex Liquid is showing us the traders, what is their balance and how long they have been trading, what is the profit and loss of this trader. This guy, this wallet is holding $1 million into their account. He's trading for 6 months. He have made $500,000 only in 24 hours and is profitable with a $10 million return of investment all time. So we want to find those traders and we want to copy trade them, because if they can do it, we can do it too. Why meme coin copy trading fails, but leverage trading, copy trading not. So let me explain you quickly why copy trading on meme coins can be way more risky. When you copy trade a meme coin trader, you are often trading in markets with low liquidity. This means if we take a look at this example, we see that the liquidity pool is 9K. So if somebody buys $50,000, the price moves with 20, 30, 40%. If I'm knowing, hey, I get copy trade, 50 other people will also buy in, and that is why most people get trapped. On Hyperliquid, traders are using liquidity pairs with way more liquidity. We can also see it in the chart. Imagine I am a good trader. People track my wallet. And if I buy $10,000 here, it moves the price. But if 50 people follow me in the same chart, they are buying, it will end up that I will sell and I will make profits, and those people who buy the latest are losing. So if you trade Solana, Bitcoin, Ethereum, even a $1 million trade will not move the chart. So that is the nicest thing about copy trading smart money on the Hyperliquid platform. And to show you an example of the amount of volume Bitcoin is handling, like only on the Blovin exchange, we can see already $700 million in volume that is generated in the last 24 hours. So it's way different compared to small meme coin trading. And the nicest thing is, if you're still watching this video, I told you about the bonus, right? So what we have set up is automated alpha. It is a Discord community for people that want to have the automated alpha. If you want to connect with like-minded traders, you want to trade the Bitcoin chart, want to find more videos like this, join the community. It's completely for free. I want to connect with like-minded people on the same journey. As you see here, every arrow in this chart is a trade that we opened and closed. And I have to say, it is doing well. In the last 2 years, since January 2024, we were able to generate from $10,000, $75,000 with our automated algorithm. So if you want to know more about that, just join the Discord server, open up a ticket, and let's have a talk if this is something for you. And beside all of this, just connect, because most people are on the same journey as you. We all want to earn some money in this space, but not everyone has the time and knowledge to do it on your own. So let's continue this video, guys. We get into the most important thing of this video: how to find profitable traders. All right, let's find the best traders on this platform and how we will do this. First, we go to Hyperliquid, and that is a website which link is also inside the description. It shows you the leaderboard. It will show you the top traders section. We go to hot, and what we do is we're gonna play with some filters. And in these filters, I will explain you exactly why I'm putting up this filter to find the best traders with a decent track record. We are not just copy trading every random trader, and the reason for that is maybe somebody was just lucky. So if somebody opens 4 trades, he makes $1 million, he is now the top trader. We want to find it based on data and long-term growth. So what we do is we go to filter. We can see the perp balance. So yeah, I want to have a decent amount that people are holding. So we are saying like, hey, somebody needs to hold at least $10,000. How many trading times he has a minimum and maximum? I really think that it needs to be 2 months plus to find a decent trader, because if somebody is trading only for 7 days, is he really a good trader and we can see he is lucky or not? No. So what I'm doing is 60 days. I really want to have more days, but after that, I will show you what I'm doing with the information we get. The 1 day return of investment, I really don't care about that. The reason for that is 1 day doesn't make somebody a profitable trader. What we want to do is we want to put the 30-day return on investment at a minimum percentage of approximately, let's say, 8% and a maximum of 100, because we want to filter out the 1000% lucky bastards. And all time, we want to have a minimum of, if we say 2 months, it will be doubled. So let's do 20% minimum and not a max. The max drawdown means that how much percentage he lost from the start to the top that he's trading right now at one moment. It means maybe he has a downswing of 20%. Let's do the max drawn of maximum 40%, because this means that he's losing 40%. I think it's still a little bit high, but we can filter also later on. When was the last trade of this person happening? So maximum, we say 7 days, because we want to filter out the people that are maybe trading like not for 30 days or longer, but we filter it out for 7 days. We want to have an active wallet that is trading right now. And the win rate percentage means how much of the trades is a trading winning. So if somebody has a win ratio of 1 to 3, it means he is losing $100, but he's winning $300. If his win rate is even 40%, he is still profitable. So it doesn't mean that somebody is losing less than 40%, he's a losing trader. No. What we do is we do it 50% and a maximum of 80%. We do apply. And now we get a list of traders that are inside this category. The next thing I do is I go to my Excel sheet and I write this information. What is the wallet link? What is the perp equity? So how much he is holding in his wallet? What is his all-time return on investment? 30 days, all time. What is the age of the wallet? I fill in every wallet that I think has potential to copy trade. We not copy trade everything. We first want to fill in the potentials. And after that, I will filter out the wallets that I think, hey, maybe this is not a wallet that I want, because there's way more information needed to make a decision. So getting back to the Apex website, we see as an example, this guy, this wallet, only looking at his balance and trading time, we think, hey, this could be something. So what I do was I see 300,000, we go to his wallet, we copy the URL, we put it here. Now We fill in the perp balance, 200,000, all-time return on investment. For backtesting data, we see here, run backtesting investment, $10,000, ratio 1x leverage, 30 days. And now we get the result of $3,200. So it's 30%. We fill this in, $3,200. If we want to do all time, we click here, all. Now we get for $10,000 copy trading. Let's see, we have all time, so it's like 700%. We do. So after filling in all the data from this wallet, we fill it in our sheet. And now what I do is I make multiple wallets. I will filter 10, 20 of them. And after that, we will go over it again. Once we have a list of 5 or 10, 20 wallets, we want to track them down. So what I do is I click on the link, I go to the profile. And what I want to do is I want to check the activity of this wallet, because sometimes they have only 5 trades or 10 trades. And we want to find a trader which is active every week for a long period, especially when he's 1 year. We go to the bottom and we can see, hey, this guy is having 8 pages of trades. So what kind of trader is this guy? If we have on page 3, we can see, hey, this guy was trading on Hyperliquid in May already. And we can see, hey, he's losing $54,000 here in this trade on Fartcoin by shorting it, but then he wins it again. So this guy is quite trading on, yeah, like meme coins, shorting them, longing them. Is this a wallet that we want to follow? Because this more seems like a gambler to me. So I think, hey, let's not copy trade this guy. We want to find somebody who is trading on the higher caps with more structure, like winning maybe 5%, 6, 7, 8% a month on a decent base instead of being right sometimes, because he is winning like $112,000. He's losing 200,000 here. And then we have a lot of trades like this. So I want to open up another one. I found one for you potentially. That is this one. We have the data, and what we do is we scroll down. We check historical positions. We scroll down, and what we see is this guy is trading 26th of October, 23 of October, 21. And he's decent trader in October. He have a lot of pages. So it's like not a gambler. He is like winning amounts on trades, like not big amounts, but a lot of small amounts. This guy is winning. So it is way less of a gambler. This guy is more of a scalp trader, and I like it. I like to see this kind of data. Win rate 92%, last trade 13 hours, and then max drawdown 54%, 10 months of trading results. So this could be a profitable trader that we can copy trade. So how to copy trade those profitable traders? After some research that we did, and I think this is the most important part, we want to find maybe 3-4 profitable traders. We don't want to bet all our money on one trader. So I want to show you right now how to copy trade them. For this, we use the Apex Liquid bot. It allows us to copy trade those wallets completely automated. And if you use my sign up link, you will also get a discount on your fees, and which can save you on long term a lot of money. And this link is inside the description. So we are here. We've placed our wallet here. Now we get an overview of the wallet. So what we want to do is we want to copy trade. We click on copy trade. Now we get a long menu here. Enter the target wallet. We did it. We give the wallet a tag, Smart Scalper. And in case you think, hey, what is reverse copy? If you find a losing trader and you think this guy is so bad at trading, he's losing everything, you can even reverse copy trade that guy. Copy ratio means the amount of leverage you want to use, 1, 2, 3, 4. And I suggest you to do not that much. Just get used to it. Test out the strategy. Is it working? Yes or no? Test it out for the minimum of 30 days to see, hey, is it working? Copy existing positions. We don't want to do it because we want to start fresh. Not copy open, no copy increase. You can put it on or not. What is the price take profit? So price take profit percentage means you can set up for yourself a percentage, how much you want to it go up to take profit or stop loss or balance. It's the same take profit and stop loss. I think it's just better to just copy trade those people instead of setting up your own things. Minimum trade size. So as an example, if you have $1,000, I suggest you to not use everything at once. Maybe use a minimum of 10% of that or 5% to just test it out. If you're $1,000 to $50, max trading size can be the same. I think it's really important to have a bankroll here. Then you get here, copy buy and copy sell. Or you only want to do it to open it up, but also to close it. Do you only want to copy longs or you want to copy shorts? I think we can just put everything on because since we want to follow the complete strategy of that person. Trader use isolated, you use cross. Isolated means if somebody using a too high leverage, you can get liquidated. So since we are not using that high leverage, we can just keep this off because we don't want to risk the whole bankroll or something. So we can put it off and just do the leverage at a maximum of 1 or 2x. Token blacklist or whitelist, which kind of tokens you want to copy trade or not. Notification settings speaks for itself, and you can even minimum balance of target wallet. So if he is lowering the amount on his wallet, we can just cancel the copy trading. And then you click on create copy trade. What are common mistakes by copy trading smart money on chain? Before you start copy trading, remember, avoid traders using huge leverage. They are gamblers and you don't want to follow them. Don't FOMO in late. If somebody has a huge profit on their current trades, don't open it up if it is not at the entry price. Check liquidity before you follow. This is not about hype, it's about risk management. As I explained about meme coins, we want to follow a trader who is trading at the higher caps with a lot of liquidity. If you're still watching this video and you like this kind of content, inside our Discord server, we track the most profitable traders on Hyperliquid. We verify the status and share alerts. And beside all of this, we also upload every morning a daily market video to inform you about what is happening inside the market and what do we think about Bitcoin. So if you are too busy with your family or your job and you think, hey, this is something for me, join the free link inside the description and I will see you in the community. Thanks for watching. See you in the next one. Bye bye.